Struggling to bake the perfect cake at home? Here are the 5 best countertop ovens I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Gourmet French Door Air Fryer. The Gourmet French Door Air Fryer caught my eye with its spacious 25-quart capacity and sleek design, priced at $90. If you want a versatile oven that can handle family-sized meals and baking, this is worth a serious look. This oven features dual doors that open easily with one hand, making loading and unloading a breeze. It can fit a 12-inch pizza or even a whole chicken, which is perfect for gatherings. Plus, with 17 cooking presets including bake, broil, and toast, you can whip up just about anything with ease. The precision digital controls allow you to set the time from 1 to 99 minutes and the temperature from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect for getting that cake just right. And if you're concerned about health, the Fry-Force Convection technology circulates heat for crispy results without all that oil. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It means you can bake cakes that are moist on the inside and perfectly browned on the outside without the extra calories. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit bulky on kitchen counters. Here's the thing though, if you have the space and want an oven that can replace multiple appliances, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you frequently host family meals or want to explore different cooking methods. Skip this one if you have limited counter space or only need a simple toaster oven. At $90, it offers a lot of value for its capabilities, making it a solid choice for any home baker. Product number 2. Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. The Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. Priced at $149.99, this one stands out with its unique flip-up design that saves counter space. If you want an all-in-one oven that can bake cakes and handle family-sized meals, this one is a fantastic pick. The 8-in-1 functionality means you can air fry, roast, broil, bake, and more, making it incredibly versatile. It can fit up to 4 pounds of food or a 12-inch pizza, which is great for feeding a crowd. The Oven Crisps technology ensures even cooking edges to center, so your cakes won't have burnt edges. The temperature range from 85 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit gives you the flexibility you need for various recipes. Here's why this matters for you. If you're baking multiple cakes or experimenting with different recipes, this oven covers all bases. However, some users mention that the heating elements can take a while to cool down. But honestly, if you're baking multiple items in a row, that's not really an issue. This is perfect for you if you have a small kitchen but want a powerful appliance. Skip this if you prefer a traditional oven feel or need something compact for simple tasks. At $149.99, it's a great investment for those who love to bake and cook. Product number 3. Ninja French Door Premier Air Fryer. The Ninja French Door Premier comes in at $199.99, and right off the bat, I noticed its impressive 5-quart air fry capacity. If you want to bake larger cakes or meals with ease, this is worth considering. With 10-in-1 versatility, you can air fry, bake, roast, toast, and more, all in one appliance. The cyclonic air technology ensures that your cakes cook evenly without having to rotate them, which saves you time. Plus, it preheats in just 90 seconds, so you won't be waiting around. It can handle up to 5 pounds of French fries or a whole roast, which is great for family dinners. Here's why this matters. The speed and versatility mean you can whip up a cake in no time while still having the option for savory meals. However, some users pointed out that the unit can be a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing though, if you want faster cooking times, a little noise is a fair trade-off. This is perfect for you if you love variety in your cooking. Skip this if you're looking for something quieter or if you don't need an air fryer feature. For $199.99, you're getting a powerful machine that can really enhance your baking game. Product number 4. Gourmet French Door Air Fryer Oven. We have the Gourmet French Door Air Fryer Oven at $143.65. This one really caught my eye with its XL 37-quart capacity, perfect for anyone who bakes a lot. If you want to bake multiple cakes or large meals at once, this is definitely worth a look. With 12 preset cooking functions, including air fry, bake, and broil, you can easily switch between cooking methods. The Fry Force 360-degree technology allows for even cooking with little to no oil, which means healthier cakes without sacrificing texture. The wide temperature range from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit lets you tackle all sorts of recipes. What's important here is that you can fit up to 9 slices of toast or a large pizza at once, making it ideal for entertaining. But some customers have mentioned it can be a bit bulky. Honestly, if you're serious about baking and have room, it's a small price to pay for its versatility. This is perfect for you if you regularly host parties or have a big family. Skip this if you have limited counter space or only bake occasionally. At $143.65, it is well priced for the features you're getting. Product number 5, Black & Decker Extra Wide Convection Toaster Oven. We have the Black & Decker TO3250XSBD, priced at $86.87. This toaster oven fits most standard oven pans, which is a huge plus for convenience. If you want a budget-friendly option that still delivers on baking, this one is worth considering. The convection heating circulates warm air for even baking, and it can fit 8 slices of toast at once. Plus, with a 60-minute timer, you can set it and forget it while your cake bakes. This is great for anyone who wants to bake without the fuss. However, some users did report that the temperature can be lower than the set point due to its advanced heating elements. Here's the thing. If you're aware of this and adjust accordingly, it's still a solid choice for everyday baking. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget or don't bake every day. Skip this if you're looking for advanced features or larger capacity. At $86.87, it's a fantastic value for a countertop oven. We've covered some fantastic countertop ovens for baking cakes: the Gourmet French Door Air Fryer, Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, Ninja French Door Premier, Gourmet French Door Air Fryer Oven, and Black & Decker Extra Wide Convection Oven. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo because of its versatility and space-saving design. Avoid the Black & Decker if you need a more advanced option for serious baking.